Okay, so put these tabs on. See there? I'll tighten them up when I'm on the roof. They're going to go on the ribs of the roof. There's actually an add-on that you can put on, so off and on dimmers with that device there, which I don't have at this stage. But we'll see how this one goes. Okay, so that's where the solar is. So mounted on the roof on the ridge, and it's a little bit of silicone to hold the cable down and ran it through the ridge capping. That's it. Okay, so I've cut the hole out. It's gonna go. Okay, so what I've noticed, that's a warm light, that's a cool light, so I am gonna leave it as it is because during the day, during the day it's going to be like that, and then come night time, well, that'll be off, and then this will be on, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. Overall, it's actually quite good, very, very good. Plenty of light. Yeah, so I made it center of the doorway. So center of the doorway coming down. Now I've got to clean the floors. That's it. Okay, so it's getting pretty dark outside. There's still a little bit of light. So this is quite dim considering how it was earlier today, where it was quite bright on the floor. So it's great because however it is outside is how it is inside.